A typical knee replacement patient will see me in clinic and we will arrange imaging for the patient. This can be x-rays or MRI scans. We're very lucky at Spire Healthcare where we have brilliant imaging facilities. Following this, I will see the patient back in clinic and we will have a discussion about treatment options. At this point, we will have discussions about managing the patient without surgical treatment or with surgery, and if they require joint replacement surgery, we will discuss whether they are best suited for a partial type replacement or a full replacement of the knee. At this point, I will also have a discussion with the patient about using robotic technology and to see if this is something they're interested in or if this is something they will benefit from. The pathway for joint replacement surgery is very well developed, from pre-assessment to the physio team who are outstanding. They have amazing facilities available to them, which include hydrotherapy and an Alter-G machine, which allows patients to take their weight off, particularly early on post-surgery, which really helps with the enhanced recovery programs that I use. Getting onto the surgery, we have access to fantastic theatre facilities, very modern laminar flow theatres, and the robotic technology is available to us. Post-surgery, the ward care is outstanding and the team all work with me on my enhanced recovery program. So with the partial knees, we really aim to have the patient up and going on the same day with a view to getting them home the next day. And with the total knee replacement patients, again, we encourage early mobilization, early rehabilitation with the hydrotherapy, with a view to early discharge, and we know that there is a higher satisfaction associated with that getting early function. One of the big advantages of being treated as a private patient is that the patients get consultant-led care throughout. And unfortunately, one of the challenges within the NHS now is that this is very difficult. So this is one of the big pluses for me in the private sector. I'm able to form a relationship with my patients and spend a lot more time with them than I would otherwise be able to do, and see their care through from the beginning to the end. And that's very satisfying for me, and I think the patients really value that as well. One of the great things about Spire St Anthony's is the ITU backup we have available, and that gives me a lot more confidence when I'm treating patients who have other medical problems or who are higher risk of having complications. So with that support there, with the ITU facilities, we can be much more confident that the patients are treated in a very safe environment.